What is up, guys? Zertus Gaming here, back with another AFK journey video. So today, Almost was just released, and I would say that I'm not too enthusiastic, to be perfectly honest, in summoning for this guy, especially with my current roster. So as you know, Almost is a wilder tank, an A level type as well. And so how I assess these units when they come out is I always assess them in relation to my current roster. So in terms of tanks, I already have four decent ones. I have Thorin, Timisia, Antandra, and then Granny Danny. Okay? Now, you'd have to ask yourself, does Almost provide um, a unique utility on top of my four existing units? And I would say though, um, I would say there's none. Um, because his skill set is quite contradictory, right? First off, he's a tank, but once his HP goes below 30%, he retreats to the back and becomes some sort of support hero. And so, I do already have a good set of support heroes as well. I have like six heroes. And so I don't need that as well. So what's the reason, or what could be a good reason for you to summon Almost? I would say this. If you're just new to the game, and let's say you have a decent number of invite letters, especially the banner ones, the rate up banners, I mean, then that's the time I would try to summon for Almost, and that is if you don't have a fully threshed out or built tank unit as of yet. Okay. Now, and I think that should be your, what you call this, your philosophy, or how you look at it, especially when these units come out. Here's the thing. If so the only time, I mean, the only, no, not the only time, but then for you to be able to like fully build a tank or any unit in this game is that you hyper focus on summoning for that unit. Now you can't do that technically speaking, although you have a wish list, right? Because even if you, let's say, have 500 epic invite letters, okay, there is no guarantee that you'd be able to build one specific unit at least to Supreme Plus level. And these rate up banner heroes, these are the rare quote unquote opportunities that you would be able to build units right away to Supreme Plus. Okay? Because they are, there's only one unit in that pool. Specifically if you're going to summon for I mean it's like 3%. I mean that's a special summon. And so yeah, that's the only reason I would say that I would summon for Almost. But if you're at the late game, or you have been playing for this game for quite a while and you already have decent tanks, decent units, I would say just, save your rate up banner tickets for another unit, which hopefully they would release a Griefborn support hero, because that's what I am lacking. So in terms of Almost, decent, but I wouldn't, summon for this guy because of my current roster. Now, some are selling, some have opinions that he would work well with an Aaron team. I could see that because Aaron, when he does his ultimate, they would then then the units would be routed via Olmos's Mythic Plus skill. I mean, that would be unlocked after reaching Mythic Plus. However, when Aaron is at EX weapon level 10, the immobilization duration is at 6 seconds, and so this would only what give another 2 seconds on top of that, and the duration here is every 10 seconds, so it's not that powerful. And let us say he goes and retreats back to the back, and let's say Aaron would then becomes the front most unit. He would then gain a shield, through this guy. However, Aaron already has a shield, right? And then he also has dodge on top of that. And if ever, I would rather um team Aaron with Itoran compared to this guy. So yeah, a little bit of a mixed bag. But I would say that yeah, I would just pass because I'm trying to save tickets as well because I'm trying to spend less on this game, and so I'm just hoping that they would release a Graveborn unit. I would definitely summon for that, even if I would say that it wouldn't change the meta because that's a unit that's one of the factions that I'm lacking. So yeah, that's about it from me, guys. Thank you so much, and I hope if you have learned something from today's video, please do like, subscribe, and comment below. You all have a good one. Zertus Gaming out.